So I finally decided to invest in a smoker. We went with the Traeger Pro 575. It came recommended to us by someone who's been using it for 5 years. So we decided to go with this one. There's lots of different options, but I've heard great things about Traeger. Look at how cute this box is that it comes in. Adorable. So here we're just unpackaging everything, looking to see what all it came with. Here we're going to just start here because, I mean, it seems logical, right? This instruction manual is everything. Definitely a project for us. Look at this 6-pack just running out. Yep. Now, we're not big beer people, but we can definitely substitute. So this is our essential tool right here. Not optional, essential. And we're going to get right into it. So we're reading over all the instructions, see how to go about this. First thing we're doing is taking out this barrel, and we're going to end up laying it on its side so we can get to the under part of it, which is where we're going to attach the legs. Right here, though, we're just kind of going through everything, seeing what's inside, emptying out the components that are inside of this barrel and inside the little chamber where you put the pellets. But here we have it on its side, and we're going to attach the legs. What's really nice is they put stickers with the numbers on it, so you know exactly where they're supposed to go, each leg is supposed to go, and the direction that they're supposed to go in. So that's very helpful, user-friendly. You know, another sip. We need another little sippy sip. So here we're flipping it back over. We got all the legs attached. 2 of them are wheels, so it's easy to maneuver. The other 2 are just, you know, solid legs. But here we have it flipped over now because we're going to start working on the actual barrel as well as inside of the little chamber for that pellets. Here we're just attaching 2 plates between the legs. There's one on this side as well as on the other side, so we're just getting those attached now. You know, just following instructions here. So now we're going to plug in this cord. This is where we plug in the smoker to give it power. And now we're attaching the handle to the hood of the barrel. Very simple, and what's nice is the tools, they come labeled so you know exactly what tools go with, or what tools go with what part of the grill or the smoker. So now we're just putting everything inside of the barrel. We have our drip pan here. It goes at an angle so that way your drippings can slide down and into this little bucket that it'll collect in over time, or you can toss it, you know, as you go. Here we have our grate that we're laying down, and there's also a top grate, and you can see right in here there's actually little spots where you put the pegs into. So you just want to make sure you get those into those grooves like so. And now in here we're in the section where you're going to end up putting your pellets. Here we're attaching this. We're simply just putting the screws down onto this piece of metal here. Doesn't actually go through them, it just holds it down. And then this is the thermometer. So here you can plug it in, and you can see that there's a lot of lead on that with the string attached. And that is to put into your meats so you can see that you have the proper temperature for whatever meats you're cooking. And voila. Here you have your beautiful Traeger, and of course, don't forget you want your grill cover.